Dual use. This crib delights with its functionality. The crib assembly is quick and the U.S. patented rail design easily helps convert it from a crib to a playpen in seconds, making it a nursery must-have. Compact portable. The unique hinge system allows it to fold flat for compact storage. Its lightweight frame with wheels allow easy maneuverability and portability, making it the ideal travel companion. Product weight is 32 pounds. Safety matters. The stationary, non-drop side, rail system and dual-hooded, locking wheels provide the utmost in product safety. It meets applicable ASTM CPSC standards. Neat design. Made of pinewood, its lean, minimalist design and 6 stylish finish options give it a versatile appeal, allowing it to mix and match into any room decor. 1-inch crib mattress and tools for easy assembly included. Product specs. Crib dimensions are 40L x 26W x 38H. Maximum baby weight limit is 35 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Slightly smaller than I expected. My son is 5 months old and 97th percentile for height. He seems like he might get too tall for this. He can't turn in different directions, which is tricky if your child likes to wiggle in their sleep. I'm also not sure how it will hold up to a jumping toddler. I still love it overall and would definitely purchase again instead of a full-size crib, pack and play, or bassinet. It's very cute and perfect for our small space. Good value for the price. Easy to clean and move.